Hi everyone. Today I am in the mood to create something fabulous. Hello everyone. Welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today I am in the mood to make something fabulous. So what you're going to need is from the Dollar Tree is the pearls. Now I found the 60 pack. So I have 2 packs of these. And then I found the 40 pack, which is the extra large ones. You are going to need some type of thread. And what I got is like the needlepoint in white. I bought 2 of them. These were 53 cents at Walmart. And then a big eye needle. This was $1.27 at Walmart. Now, what we're going to do with the beads, I'm going to open up the small ones. And the big ones. Now, depending on the size of your Christmas tree, you may need more packages, but I'm only working with a 3-foot Christmas tree. So what we're going to do is make a old-fashioned chain, but out of pearls. Remember back in the day we used to pop popcorn when we were little and sit with a needle and thread the popcorn through? Well, this is an updated version. We're going to do the pearl version for your Christmas tree. So I'm going to take my needle out. And I'm hoping this is enough. Like I said, this is just for demonstration purposes. So if, you may need more string than I have. Okay, so I got to find out where this starts, which is right here. I'm gonna pull it through. And I would just make a long chain. I'm double knotting it. So this is going to be like the length from here to here, depending on how long you want your chain to be. And then, alright, so you're just going to cut the end off like you would do any other string and knot it. You want a thick knot so they do not fall off. Alright, so this is the process. That these pearls here, they have the holes in them. So all you're doing is taking a needle and sliding your bead down. Now, this string is not that thick, so it is going to come out. So what you want to try to do is, make the biggest knot that you possibly can so it will stay secure, just like that. Then I'm going to do an extra one at the end when I'm all bunched up. That way they do not fall off. And you want a thicker piece of string to keep them on here. That is my knot, like so. I just put like 3 or 4 of them in there. And I have the big, and small. Big one. I'm just gonna grab a small one, slide it down, and that's what it's gonna look like. maybe put another, well, these are mediums, they're not small ones. You know, try to make up a little pattern. But keep in mind that these are just for your Christmas tree that I'm making these for. It's not like a necklace that we're making or a bracelet. However, you could make a necklace and a bracelet out of these beads. That would be another DIY project. So I'm just going to sit here and bead these on, and then I'll be back. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on another easy DIY for Vlogmas in December 2020. Y'all stay blessed, stay safe, and thank you for stopping over, Fabulous family. Bye-bye.